Hello? Hello? Hi! It's Tammy with TNT Hose. How are you doing today? Are you being beautiful? Not saying bye for now because we're just now getting started. I have a sponsored haul today. Sorry about shaking the table there. So we're going to unbox this. Pull it out of the box. Show you the picture of the box. And it is an air freshening fan. They sent, and this is actually sponsored with, I want to make sure I get everything correct in the, and I appreciate it so well. It's from Conbola, and Sunny is the one that contacted me. And she, but there was a, thank you for joining our, thank you for collabing with us. Well, I can't even read. Okay. Now, I'm going to put these notes off to the side for a minute. Box very nicely. I've had this for a while. I have not used it. I have had it out because I wanted to see it. I did turn it on. I wanted to make sure that the motor and everything worked on it. But that is it. As far as using it for a long period of time, I have not yet. By the time you see this video at the end, I will have, and I will update you at the end of the video. So I keep looking the wrong way, sorry. So let's get it out. Take a gander at it. Packaged very nicely. All right, let's fix this. Okay. Now you can see better. Sorry about that. Comes with a charging cord and a cord that you can keep it plugged up to. Comes with your operator user manual. And there's more styrofoam at the end. So it's packaged very well. Let me get it together. This is your filter. It's an F11 style. It was covered with the plastic. And I'm noticing that I have my customer service voice on, as Kay calls it. And this goes over your filter and locks in. So before we get around to the beautiful front, here's the back. I had choices of purple or blue, and I got blue. So that's where you will plug it in with your cord to charge it or to use it with it. Here. Okay, as you see, I had to change positions so I could plug the fan in. Because I want you to see what it does when you plug it in. So, taking off the protective filter, or protective plastic. Now, I want to go along with this on you. Let's see if I can hold it so you can see this. So I want to tell you it's an air freshening fan, and I had a choice of blue or purple. Like I said, I got the blue. The control panel there's 3 buttons right here. So there's one here on the bottom is your fan speed, low, medium, and strong. And then the one in the middle is your power button. And then this one right here is your timer. It's 1, 2, and 4 hours. There is no 3-hour timer on this. Not sure why. So it's air quality inspection, and forgive me for reading my notes, but I don't want to get anything wrong because I am so excited about this. Starts your air quality inspection starts within 2 minutes of pushing your power button. So let's push the power button. So the faces to tell you about your air quality. Right now this is a normal air quality face. When it's good air quality, it has a big smile on it. When it's poor, it has a sad face. And when it's extremely poor, it has a face. So in the cottage, I would say that normal is good because it's not completely sealed in here. So, I mean, it is insulated and that's about it. I can see daylight out all the way around these double doors over here in the front. So, when you power it on, it automatically goes to a low speed. So, let's speed it up a little bit. So there's the speeds. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then back to 1. It's very quiet. I love how it blinks. So you can raise it somewhat. There's a little bit of a give on it right here. There's lights inside of it. I don't know how to show you because you can kind of see, yeah, there's 3 lights in there that tell you the charging speed on it or that it's charging, and then all 3 lights are on. That's when it's totally okay. Look at our smiley face now. So I guess our filter has cleaned it out, and now we have good quality in here. So how about that? So I'm going to let that blow on me for a while. Oh, that feels great. I just showed you the charging displays, the little blue lights that has a HEPA filter on the back of it, and it cleans out 99.7% of smoke, pollen, and dander. Last thing is the user manual is 100% in English. Okay, now, this thing is wonderful. I will link everything down below on how you can get one. And I will also link the code to get your discount off of it. I'll even add this in the screen right here. And that is all I have to say about this wonderful fan. Let's name him or her. So, since it's blue, we're going to say it's a boy. And I would like to come up with a nice French name for my boy fan, because I will more than likely be keeping him down here in the cottage. So, what kind of name should we name him? So, of course, it's already pulling up all the doggy hairs. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to always be beautiful. Mwah. Bye for now. Love you.